on, and these ones, and it deep inside of you, your deep gut. And I feel sorry for all our people. I mean, when they say Nigerians generally, because they drank from the same water Nigeria fed them, made a lot of Nigerians gullible.
True.
You see, typical Biafra or Nigeria that know the truth, they see the truth, but they can't face the truth.
Exactly.
Because they are going to be giving peanuts, or they are making money, especially these chronic agitators. Because of the granite money, they want to get all devour the innocent people.
Honestly.
Of Biafra that are genuinely seeking freedom. When the money comes in, they just want to share it like their father, Nigeria. Those people are typical, from terrorist Nigeria. And I have no apologies for them. And I keep telling them that it will soon be over. It's not business as usual, because people are opening their eyes, and from this their evil, we are seeing the truth. And we continue to push for USB. God of heavens will always remember Dr. Ngozi Orabueze. She has written her name in gold. She has written her name in annal of history, that she was able to stand and declare that Biafra. And today, we have hope to be safe. We have hope that with the government, we can seek and find what we want, which is freedom. And I tell you this, a lot of people don't even know what is going on in that terrorist state called Nigeria. A lot. It's falling as a pack of cards. And those of them that are collecting money from them, they will fall with them. Because there is no place. It's very bad. What they did to River State is not because they won the money. It's not because they won the position. It's because no foreign country is going to sponsor their nonsense. So they are trying to hijack states and take their money, and it's not going to last. They will still have that trillions of dollars to pay that they are owing. A nation that is owing out of their whole 100% of their income, they are using almost 100% to pay debt. Is it not a shame? That's a failure, and that is a failed state. And all of them that are allowing them to use them, they will be in shame in few days and few months or weeks to come. Thank you, Kai Report, for all you do. I appreciate you. Thank you.
I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Please, I don't want to hang any call on anybody. Please, just 2 minutes. Just go straight to the point. Like I said, few people. I want to welcome few people only. Then we call it a day. Someone was calling. I don't know. Let me locate the person. He's our brother. Hello. Hello.
Hello, Kai. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, my brother. Okay. I will call you back. I've seen your call. Okay, you are the one. Yeah, my brother. 2 minutes. Unlike the other days, just 2 minutes. Okay.
Okay. Let me check whether this 2 minutes will be okay for me.
Okay, really good. Okay.
Well, I thank you so much.
Yeah, welcome, bro.
Let me start with the Adade Orama.
My brother, I will be the one to call you back. This is our brother. I will call you back. Just wait for my call. Okay?
Okay.
I just wait for my call. Thank you. But he can understand. This is our brother that I want to hear from him. I won't lie. I want to hear from him. Okay.